Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera, and all we have to do right now is to simply enter the settings, which are in the right upper corner. Now we have to take a look at this video settings, and as you can see at the very top of the list, we've got the video resolution. So let's tap on it, and here we've got 3 different options from which we can choose. So we can set either 16:9 option with 1080p or 720p or the full screen. Right now we've got this one option applied, but if you'd like to change it, all you have to do is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. And as you can see, it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will record videos in chosen resolution. But I highly recommend to keep this option applied because, as you can see, it is recommended by the developer. So actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.